Assalamu alaikum. Today my lecture is about health conditions of Pakistan. No doubt, do you know, along with education, health is your constitutional right. Government of Pakistan is responsible to provide good and well-standard health facilities as these are defined by the law. No doubt, Pakistan has been facing multifarious problems in its health sector since the creation of Pakistan. No denying the fact, health units, health centers which have good health facilities, they have become a center of red tapeism, favoritism and nepotism. This is the reason due to which a common man, a mediocre man, a poor man who has no reference, who has no political approach, he often avoid to go in such a good health sector, even they are government hospitals, because such health units have become a center of nepotism and renticism. Then यहाँ पे एक मसला ये भी है, हेल्थ अवेयरनेस के रिलेटेड पीपल हैव नो आइडिया how to live, how to eat, how to sleep. लाइफ का जो सर्कल है उसके बारे they don't know anything about it. होना ये चाहिए. We must give them information. We create an awareness about balanced diet. Then हमें लोगों को, जो हमारी स्टेट है, should be responsible to give good diets, to give basic needs, because health is your basic needs, it is your constitutional rights. Then यहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये भी होता है कि there is lack of neat and clean drinking waters. Do you know your body is consisted 70% जो है part of your body in your blood is water. When you have no good quality water for drinking, when the people of rural areas, the people of backward areas, they use the water of hand pumps for drinking. This type of water is rich in germs and microbes. As a result of it, they are facing the problem of hepatitis C, or it is a fatal disease. Most of deaths in Pakistan are due to this disease. This disease spread firstly due to ड्रिंकिंग ऑफ पोल्यूटेड वाटर. पानी जो है आपकी बुनियादी जरूरत है. गवर्नमेंट मस्ट प्रोवाइड यू नीट एंड क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. देन इन कंट्री विच यू आर लिविंग, मोस्ट ऑफ द इन्फेंट्स एंड देयर मदर्स डाई ड्यूरिंग डिलीवरी केसेस, बिकॉज इन पाकिस्तान देयर आर लैक ऑफ गुड मैटरनिटी सेंटर्स. हमारे पास लोगों की तादाद ज़्यादा है. नो डाउट पॉपुलेशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज इंक्रीजिंग विद एवरी कमिंग ईयर, बट देयर आर नॉट टू मच more health units in Pakistan. Most of the times in the critical situations, patients have no stretchers, no wheelchairs, no beds, no capacity. Already hospitals are overcrowded of multifarious patients. जब उनको इस कंडीशन में when they are serious, they should, some patients are too much serious, they should must be have a seat in ICU in emergency. But I myself, I witness of this incident. Most of patients, their life is hanging in the balance. They are lying under the open skies because hospitals says, sorry, we have no seats, no chairs, no beds. This is an alarming situation for us. We elect to our parliamentarians just only for obtaining our basic rights. We pay them tax in every article which we purchase from the markets. हम जो चीज़ भी खरीदते हैं, एक माचिस खरीदते हैं, एक साबुन लेते हैं, हम क्रॉकरी, हम किचन की जो आइटम्स लेते हैं, हर एक के ऊपर GST लिखा होता है. जनरल, दिस स्टैंड्स फॉर GST, जनरल सेल टैक्स. इट इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ इनकम फॉर द गवर्नमेंट. और उस टैक्स से क्या होता है, आपको आपके फलाही जो इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं वो मिलने चाहिए. स्कूल्स, हॉस्पिटल्स, रोड्स, रेलवेज, डैम्स, बड़े बड़े ये जो पुल्स हैं ये बनने चाहिए, लेकिन होता नहीं है. दिस इज हाईली शेमफुल फॉर अस. तो एट द एंड मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा, हेल्थ इज योर बेसिक राइट्स, इट इज़ योर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट्स. देयरफॉर द गवर्नमेंट शुड गिव फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी टू हेल्थ in its national agenda. More funds for health sector should be allocated and some serious efforts need to be made to make sure of their proper utilization. तो होना ये चाहिए बेटा. अब ये देखें, no doubt most of the children, no doubt they have good IQ levels, they are more intelligent, they are more competent, because due to poverty they could not entertain good health facilities, because जो good quality medicines हैं उनकी prices skyrocketing हैं. They could not afford the skyrocketing prices of good medicines. They are unable to entertain good health facilities क्योंकि हेल्थ के जो अखराजात हैं वो नहीं अफोर्ड कर पाते. तो ये नहीं होना चाहिए. एट द एंड आई से कि लेट अस मोबिलाइज ऑल आवर रिसोर्सेज इन अ सिस्टमैटिक एंड ऑर्गेनाइज्ड वे एंड टैकल ऑल द ग्रेव इश्यूज व्हिच कन्फ्रंट अस विद ग्रेम डिटर्मिनेशन एंड डिसिप्लिन वर्दी ऑफ ग्रेट नेशन. दिस इज वेयर वी नीड्स टू गो.